Welcome to the Clipper channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix display too zoomed in Windows 11 laptop or desktop computer. Now, at first, what you have to do is just go to your settings. So, go to your start, right click on it, and then just click on settings. From here, on the left hand menu, you need to go to system. Then from system, you need to go to display. Just expand this section. Then from display, you'll find scale and layout. And under this, you'll find scale option. And make sure it is set to the recommended one. And if you don't like the recommended one, feel free to change it a bit and check out all of them, whichever works for you. Basically, this is a preference, and whichever you like and whichever works for you, just stick with that. Mine works with 125%. I like this, so I'm gonna keep it. After that, go to display resolution, and I recommend you to set this to the recommended settings. Mine is 1920 into 1080, and you can set it to your recommended one. And after this, your display should be fixed and it should not be too zoomed in. But if it is still too zoomed in, what you need to do is just go to your start button again, right click on it, this time go to device manager. And sometimes this problem could be caused by the GPU driver. So you have to update your GPU driver. To do that, just go to display adapters and expand this section. Then on GD1030, just right click on it and click on update driver. Then just click on search automatically for drivers. And as you can see, the best display drivers are already installed for my software. If yours aren't the best, then it will download and install it for you. After that, just click on close and close this. And basically that is how to fix display too zoomed in on Windows 11 laptop or desktop computer. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.